This is the Explorer Adventure Kit, an award-winning, robust system that lets you live stream from your action camera straight to your mobile phone or tablet. It's designed to be multifunctional and perfect for fishing, exploring, and research. It's available in a 17-meter hand reel or a 27-meter cable reel. Now I'm going to run you through what's included in this feature-packed kit. The kit includes an Explorer housing, a drift fin, pole mount, a troll fin, a weight, and a 1-inch ball mount. You also get a buoy and fishing line release clips. This system works by simply inserting your action camera into the Explorer housing and sealing it shut. The housing is rated to 50 meters. Then insert the receiver, which picks up the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, transmits it through the tether cable to the transmitter. Then simply place your phone into the phone mount, which will receive the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals from your camera, which is underwater, giving you live stream and full control of the camera. Our simple quick click mounting system allows you to set up the Explorer for different applications, whether it's drifting, trolling, or use our universal 1-inch ball mount for a custom rig setup. If you're unsure if the Explorer Adventure Kit is right for you or any of our other kits, click on the Find My Kit feature and answer a few quick questions, and we'll recommend the perfect kit for your needs.